Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. Hope you had a great day of trading. Let's look at HLF again. Why? Because we've been watching this one for you, and it's been acting very nice. Now I just want to lay out the two upper trend lines because we are going up at this point. Okay. Right now, HLF, it may need a break only because it's up so high, but I just want to let me try and make this a little smaller. That's all right. I'll leave it here. Just wanted to show you that we still are in this big uptrend right now, and we did break any down pattern over here. This was your downtrend pattern. I created the uptrend pattern. Right now we're in this uptrend, and making it a little bit tighter for you so you could see. Since our alert, this has been going very nicely. Okay, and whoops, wrong line. And I think we're going to go a little bit more, but it is going to need a small break here shortly. If we lay the lines out, I'd say right around $82. It's going to take a break, and from that point, it'll consolidate and then move to the next leg. But has been moving great for us since our initial alert on this one, and I think we're going to continue up. Nice turn on your 50-day moving average, nice volume bars, and your relative strength index is getting a little bit high. So really, your trade zone for the up channel right now is goes something like this. Unless let me pull this back a little bit more. Yeah, it goes something like this right now. Some big candles. So look for maybe a spike up to 81. And then a little pullback and consolidate in this area before the next leg higher. But it is in the pattern to come back and test these highs over here, which is probably in the 90s, 90 area, maybe 100, depending on how this trades and trends to the upside. So, I mean, it's doing fantastic. It's not a broken stock. Your support is now down here with this uptrend line, so it looks really good. Taking a look at the weekly on HLF. Again, same thing. You're just going to need a pullback. All these lines here, but that's all right. So this is the uptrend line. We have this gap that I was talking about that needed to get closed at 100, and the trend we're back in right now is shooting towards that 100, 110 area, 105. So HLF, I do see 105 in the future for this one, but right now, you might get a little break here to be able to get some more cheapies if you wanted cheapies. But HLF is definitely in the uptrend pattern now to come up and hit this. You're about to get on a weekly. You're about to get the golden cross, which will be huge for this, and then it'll really start catching momentum and coming up and filling that gap to 105. So I think we see 105 on HLF, and right now it's been performing very nicely since we alerted down here at 68 area. We're up $10 or $11 so far, so I'll keep following through on this one. But HLF should go up very nicely. Now, a member alert that we did, I'll start touching base with. We did break out of the. We're going to look at ARIA. We did break out of a consolidation box here. Oh, that's the weekly. Let's change it to the daily. We broke out of a consolidation box that was going on here, and really moved up to the upside. It's been moving great. Now it's time to watch this this high right here. You have the double top right here. If we could break through that, I mean, today was massive volume, so if we could break through that, look for this gap fill to get filled at $16. But there's plenty of room for this thing to move if it continues getting volume. I don't know what the short in is, but it's reacting very nicely. We also put up a new stock to watch in the videos for the members tonight, so make sure you get over there. If you're not a member, make sure it'll be well worth it. $375 for a lifetime membership. After the first, it'll be $375 a quarter or $1,500 for the year. We will be opening a chat room, options chat room up, and we will be teaching teaching chart setups and much more. We have a lot of things that work, and our member base is strong, and they have some great scans. So, come on over, join the team. It'll be a new year next year. Make some great money. All right, everyone. Have a great night.